guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of June. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box. And those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want to have sent to you. And those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee is going to get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items in your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. This box I've had for a little bit because it was the end of the school year and things were a little bit busy and chaotic. So I've probably had it about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I think for this box, I did ask my stylist, Kara, to send me some more casual summer items. Since school's out, I just want to be more casual. So we're going to get into the box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, you're going to see it looks like this. Inside, you're going to have your prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways, which is really nice and convenient. They are promoting their shop by category, which means you can go in, and if you just want to look at pants or shirts, you can just look at that particular category and purchase it right off the site. You're going to have your envelope, and inside your envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 34 for me. I'm going to set the prices to the side. And then you also have your Oh Hello card, which is your note from your stylist, and it also has the style suggestions for all the items that are coming to you in your box. And so I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Hey there, Jennifer. Hopefully you had a fabulous Mother's Day, and each day this summer is enchanting and beautiful. It's exciting for me to read your feedback on each fix, and I'm glad you're loving the beautiful colors and prints I'm finding you. Woohoo! School is out in a few weeks. That's so exciting, and I'm sure you can't wait. Yeah, I'm officially out, so I'm very happy. The floral crochet top and bold dark pink tie front tank will be the perfect addition to your summer rotation." Those were the 2 items that I did choose from my fix preview. "They have beautiful and unique details to take a simple tank to the next level, and I thought I'd pull one more for you. What do you think of the deep berry knot front top by Britton? Unfortunately, I didn't find any 7-inch shorts, and since you mentioned the capris in the preview were too short, I chose the Just USA skinny jeans in a 27-inch inseam. You can easily cuff these as well. Enjoy, Kara." And so here's what the style card looks like, and it has each item paired a couple different ways, which is really nice. And so here is my bundle, and I'm loving the colors. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing on top is by Rainn. It is the Waicy lace crochet detail knit top in beige, and it actually looks a little more yellow than I thought it would. So it's this crochet detail in the back. It's got a very pretty floral print. It's got some like orange and pink and some black and like a brown. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that print. It is a kind of stretchy material. Yeah, I love a beautiful floral print, so I think I'm really gonna like this one. I love Rainn items. Next is by Britton, the Lovie sleeveless knot front knit top in burgundy. And it's a cute burgundy striped top. I love the color. It's very stretchy as well. It has that twist front detail on the top, and I tend to prefer those to the tie front details, but this is really cute and casual, perfect for summer. Next is by Ellie, the Gracelynn tie front knit tank in dark pink. And this is one of the items that I did choose from my fix preview. It's a cute little pink tank top with some buttons down the front. I wonder if they are faux buttons, so you don't have to worry about any gaping or anything like that. Has some ribbing detail. Has the tie front down here at the bottom, and it has a cute little crisscross detail in the back. So that's really cute and casual. So I picked this item and the Rainn tank top from my preview. Next is by Britton, the Peggie back detail knit dress in mustard. And so it is, let's see, I think that's the front. It is a mustard floral dress. It's very soft. It's that brush knit material. Ooh, it does have pockets. It's got that kind of like halter style top, which I don't own a lot of dresses like that. And sometimes these shorter length dresses can be too short for me, so I'll be curious to see how that fits me. In the back, it does have like this opening in the back, which is kind of cute. Very comfortable. Probably a good summer dress, so I'm interested in that. And then I have a difficult time with like shorts and capris being long enough, so she sent me this 27-inch inseam by Just USA, the Marian skinny jean, and it says it's in navy, and it says it's a high-rise skinny. I do like a nice dark wash jean. There's no distressing or anything like that. It's got some little bit of fading in the wash here on the thigh, but just a nice basic skinny jean. So I will use these to try on all of the tops. So I'm going to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the Rainn Waicy lace crochet detail knit top, and it says it's in beige. It does have a yellow undertone. It's really pretty. And then on the bottom I have the Just USA Marian skinny jean in navy. So let's start with the top. I love the colors in this tank top. You're going to be able to see my black cami here. It's got the really pretty crochet detail here up at the top, and it also has some lace and crochet detail here on the back. Very pretty. The material is very stretchy. It does come up a little bit and come down a little bit longer in the back, which is nice. So yeah, I really like this tank top. What do you guys think? On the bottom, I have those jeans, and they are 27-inch inseam. I'm gonna hand down a little bit so you can see the length. She told me I could cuff them. So I left one side down, and then I cuffed the other side. I would probably wear it cuffed for summertime and maybe down more in the fall. But yeah, they're a nice dark wash. They fit well. They are very skinny jeans, but they're stretchy, which is nice. I think they look really cute with this tank top. What do you guys think? Just a basic skinny jean that would be good for pairing almost anything with. All right, so I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next top, and this is by Britton, the Levie sleeveless knot front knit top, and it is in burgundy. So it's a cute little tank top. It's got like a white and burgundy stripe, but there's some burgundy running throughout the white stripes. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I love that the tank top is bra friendly. It's got this cute little twist here in the front. I don't mind the twist. I don't think it accentuates the tummy too much. It's got a nice length here. The twist lays really nicely right here. Comes down a little bit longer in the back. So yeah, I think this is a really cute tank top. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try on that pink tank top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the pink tank top, and this is by Ellie. It is the Gracelynn tie front knit tank in dark pink. And I love that this one is also bra friendly. It has the little buttons going down the front, but they are faux buttons, so you don't have to worry about any gaping. It has this tie detail right here in the front. And the tie isn't so long that it's like too much. It's fine for me. It does come up a little bit higher in the front, and it comes down a little bit lower in the back, which is nice. I did cuff both pant legs, so I've just left these jeans on. So yeah, I think this is another great option for summer. I'm gonna try that dress on and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with my last item, and it is a dress by Britton. It is the Peggie back detail knit dress in mustard. And so it's this mustard yellow dress with this white floral print. It does have a halter style top, so I did put on a strapless bra. It's very soft, very comfortable. For those of you who love pockets, it does have pockets. Sometimes I worry about the length of these types of dresses, but I don't think this one's too bad for summer. It does have this detail opening in the back, and I do have that strapless bra one, but you can't see it, which is nice. And so this is really cute and comfortable and casual. Perfect for summertime. Do you guys think it's too short, or do you think it's okay? I'd probably wear some cute little white sandals with it. So I don't own anything like this in my closet. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and I think my stylist, Kara, did an excellent job. She even did a great job of keeping the prices down, so let's take a look at that. So the first item is the Just USA Marian Skinny Jean in navy, and the cost of these is $58. These are a great basic dark wash denim jean that I can roll up to make more of a cropped or a capri length, and I think these are gonna be a keeper, and I think $58 is a good price. Next was the dress, and I'm surprised at how much I really like the dress. It's really soft, it's really comfortable. This is the Britton Peggie back detail knit dress in mustard, and it's $44, and I think that's a great price for a good summer dress. Next is by Rainn, the Waicy lace crochet detail knit top in beige, and it's $58, but I love it. The floral print's so pretty, it's stretchy, it's comfortable, it's got that really pretty crochet detail. That's definitely going to be a keeper. Next was the Love Ellie Gracelynn tie front knit tank in dark pink. This is really soft and stretchy and comfortable. And I love that the buttons aren't real buttons because that helps with the gaping issue that sometimes we have. And so the tie is cute, and the cost of this is $32. That's very reasonable for Stitch Fix. And then last was the Britton, the Levie sleeveless knot front knit tank top in burgundy, and it's also $32. Another great summer piece that I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of, so good prices. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $224, but if I keep all 5 items, I get that 25% discount, so that would take off $56, leaving me with an order subtotal of $168, which is really, really good in the Stitch Fix world. I do have $150 in credit thanks to those of you who've signed up using my referral link, and so this box would only cost me $18 plus tax and things like that. So I think I'm leaning towards keeping everything, but you guys tell me what you think. I do still have that $50 referral link going. I will put it in the description box below. That's a great way to get started with Stitch Fix. It would give you $50 to waive your styling fee, but it also gives you the $50 to apply to anything that you keep in your first box. And that referral link is good for men or women. So if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, that's the perfect way to try it. It gives you $50 and I get $50 in return too. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. Tell me, guys, what you think about this fix. What was your favorite item? Would you keep all 5 items? All right, guys, until next time, bye.